Okay, what's the right age, Jayla, to have a boyfriend?
The right age is
17?
and I like bracelets and lipstick and pink lipstick and a bow tie dress.
Bow tie dress. What is a bow tie dress?
A dress that has polka dots, a bow tie on and the line and a bow tie right here.
Oh.
You didn't
And
know
then we'll
that?
have some
No.
kind of girls,
I learned something
Like
tonight.
Marilyn Monroe downtown.
and then I will put like
Norma Jean. Did you hurt your foot when you did that? That felt like it hurt. I'm sure that did.
What do you want to be when you grow up, Jayla?
Katy Perry.
Katy Perry.
No, you want to be yourself. Jayla.
That's so funny.
Nobody else. Jayla.
Norma Jean was Norma Jean.
Be yourself.
I bought all the rights
Yeah.
to Norma
Katy
Jean.
Perry. She's been there.
You did?
And I did an infomercial.
We need somebody to
I
do
filmed Israel.
And
Why?
I had pictures of her
I
in the
think
bathtub.
people just on the post
Where?
Fly, because it was Norma Jean out there on the back.
Yeah.
This other guy owned
That
it.
you're too young to get it.
Wow.
How'd you see
Norma
that?
Jean would do really well.
In a TV?
Isn't that interesting?
Too weird.
Isn't that
So
funny?
it's all in the packaging.